Do you want to capture the beauty of your garden through your lens? Welcome to our deep dive into gardening photography. We're here to equip you with practical, easy-to-follow tips to enhance your photography skills. Stay tuned to learn how to make your garden photos truly stand out. Firstly, timing is everything in garden photography. The secret lies in harnessing the early morning or late afternoon light. These golden hours bathe your garden in a soft, warm glow, enhancing its inherent beauty. Remember, the golden hours offer the most flattering light for your garden shots. Next, don't be afraid to explore different perspectives. Consider experimenting with various angles. For instance, try shooting from a low angle. This can make your garden's flowers appear larger, more impressive. Change your perspective, and you'll change your photos. Thirdly, the rule of thirds is your friend in garden photography. This principle splits an image into 9 equal parts. Aim to position captivating elements of your garden along these lines or their intersections. Master the rule of thirds and you'll instantly improve your garden photos. So, are you ready to capture the beauty of your garden in a photo? Remember, choose the right time, play with perspectives, and use the rule of thirds. Get out there, experiment, and practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening and even happier photographing!